Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the exact dose on the ManMatter Shilajit Gummies label and any allergy warnings. This is critical. Once done, pick a consistent time, ideally morning, and decide if you take it before food or with a light meal based on sensitivity. Make sure to have a glass of water nearby to swallow the gummy residue. Begin with the lowest recommended dose to assess tolerance and note the time you took it so you can maintain a steady routine. You should chew ManMatter's Shilajit Gummies thoroughly to release active compounds. This aids absorption compared to swallowing whole. Once chewed, follow with about 100 to 200 milliliters of water to help digestion and reduce any aftertaste. Make sure to time it consistently, taking it 30 to 60 minutes before exercise or as part of your morning ritual works well. Avoid consuming it with heavy, fatty meals or grapefruit which can interfere, and steer clear of alcohol for at least 2 hours. You finish by monitoring how you feel over the next 7 to 14 days. Log changes in energy, mood, sleep, or digestion so you can evaluate benefit. Once done with daily dosing, store the gummies sealed in a cool, dry place below 25 degrees to preserve potency. If you notice nausea, rash, unusual palpitations, or any concerning symptoms, stop use immediately and consult your healthcare provider. Quick troubleshooting tip. If you feel
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.